done in Zumba. Let's go home. Yay! We do the exercise for our health. Not, as I always saying, not to become sexy. I'm doing Zumba, not to become sexy, not to become healthy. Healthy, and so I decided to go back again on Zumba because I did not attend for 2 consecutive Sundays. I did not attend, and you know what happened? I'm getting sick. Let's go. I'm getting sick, so I decided to go back again. So now our body is happy again. Happy again to get the exercise. Exercise. Even we are not good in dancing, I'm doing this for my health because I want to live. I want to live long, as I'm always saying, or my wish is to reach 60. I want to enjoy my 20% discount. So here in the Philippines, if you reach 60 or you become senior citizen, you will entitled to 20% discount on all items, food, drugs, or medicines, restaurants. So I want to enjoy that one. So I'm already here at my home. Thank you.